Hello again guys, it's Johnny time and welcome to another DeFi tutorial. Today we're going to learn how you can earn more than 10% passive income monthly staking tokens on PancakeSwap Syrup Pools. But before we jump into the video, please make sure that you are subscribed and hit the bell button so you will never miss another DeFi video again in the future. So if you are not familiar with PancakeSwap, that's totally okay. I have another video that explains completely for complete beginners what is PancakeSwap. In addition, for this tutorial you need to do 2 prerequisites, and also don't worry, I have videos for this as well. One, you will have to download MetaMask wallet. You will have to download and create a MetaMask wallet on your browser, on Brave, Chrome or Firefox. And then also you will have to add the Binance Smart Chain to your wallet. Also I have another video for this. And also you will have to fund your wallet with some BNB in Binance Smart Chain and or other tokens. Here I have 0.0284 BNB and 120 BUSD, which is like Binance dollars. So first, let's explain a bit what are Syrup Pools on PancakeSwap. So this is the website PancakeSwap, and here on the menu you can jump into Syrup Pools. Basically, Syrup Pools enables you to stake tokens, lock them inside smart contracts, and get more tokens for free in return as passive income. The most famous Syrup Pool that most of the people are familiar with and using is the Cake Syrup Pools, which means that you can stake and lock cakes in the smart contracts in order to get more cake. You basically lock cake. It's not like liquidity providing and farms. You just need one token. You don't need 2 tokens. You just need cake, lock it, and get more cake. Right now, in this time when recording the video, the cake price is $19, and it might change in the future. So this is a risk. If you have cake, you're exposed to the price changes in cake price. If you are like me, a big believer in PancakeSwap, a big believer on cake, then you are not worried because you know that right now it's very undervalued and it might get to $100, $200, $300 in the future. Right now it's $20. It's still cheap in my opinion, and the market cap is still small. But let's go back into our subject. So here you can see under the Syrup Pools you have the manual cake and the auto cake. The manual cake is basically the APRs, the revenues in cake. They are not automatically getting into your wallet, but they are being saved on the smart contract, and anytime that you want you can harvest them and get them into your wallet. Right now the APR, which means is the yearly return, is 82.36%. If you click here on the calculator, you can see daily, weekly, monthly and yearly return. So 82% APR yearly is 7% every month if you don't compound. If you just buy cake, stake them, you get extra cake, 7%, which means that if you have 100 cake, then you will get every month 7 more cake for free. Of course, you can use the auto cake. This pool is compounding automatically every once in a while, I think every 1 day or 2 days, and put all the cakes that you earn, it automatically injects them back into the Syrup Pool, which means that then your interest will be much higher. So instead of 82% a year, you can get APY. This is the difference between APR and APY. APR is not compounded and APY is compounded. So when you compound it, you can reach up to 124% yearly, which is more than 10% a month. This is a lot. Where else can you get this kind of returns? Real estate? No. Dividend stocks? No. Only on DeFi and yield farms and Syrup Pools. Why? Because we are still in the beginning. Those APIs gonna go down. What do you think? Those rates gonna go down. It's only the beginning, and the cake price will rise up. Of course, it's not a financial advice, but that's only my opinion in terms of my experience in crypto and trading, in my perspective and all this DeFi thing. The APRs will go down. These people who mine or farm, it's like the first miners of Bitcoin, which will collect more and more cake, and in the future the price will be higher and higher of cake and the yields will be lower and lower. So let's see how we can do it. Let's say we want to buy cake and put it in the manual contract. So first we'll need to go to trade and exchange to buy the cake tokens. Again, you are exposed to cake, which means that if I buy now $120 of cake, let's do it, let's buy, you go to the swap and you buy cakes, you use all your balance and then you will get 6.2 cake. This is the price that I'm gonna pay for each cake. I will just click swap, confirm swap. If you're not familiar with all the swap interface, also I have another tutorial for this, and confirm. And now I'm gonna claim my 6.2 cake tokens with this $120. Done. The swap has been done. Now I have the cake tokens. Now I will head over to the Syrup Pools. Let's do it. And I'm gonna open here the manual cake farm because I don't like the auto cake, because I really like to harvest my cake manually. It's like a game. It feels like a game to me, and I really love it. You can use the auto compound, but this is just my opinion. I click here enable, and first we need to enable the smart contract of the Syrup Pools to get access to your cake tokens. So first we'll have to enable the contract. That's what I'm doing just now. We'll have to wait a bit until the transaction will go through. Again, if you're not familiar with Binance Smart Chain, MetaMask, and all these kind of things, I have other basic tutorials that you can watch and learn from them. Once we enable, we will see the stake button, which means that we can add the cakes into the pool. So I'm gonna click stake and then I'm gonna click max here. So all my cakes, which is right now worth around $120, will be inside the farm. I will click confirm, and of course we'll send the transaction. Wait a bit until the Binance Smart Chain, the validators will approve my transaction, and congratulations guys, here you're gonna see that your cakes have been staked. Now you're gonna earn 82% a year, 7% every month, and for 100 cakes you will get 3 points. For 1000 of cake you will get 3.6 cake, which means for these 6 cakes I will get every month 7% cake. For 100, if you stake $100, you will get $7 every month. If you stake 1,000, you will get 70. If you stake $10,000, you will get $700 passive every month. Let's say you want to collect your ETH. Right now it's very, very low. You see, I have 0.00001 cake. You can click collect here, confirm, and then you will send the transaction, and then the cake that you harvested basically will go into your token. Let's say you don't want to stake anymore. I don't understand why, but let's say you want to take out the cake, maybe sell them, maybe do other things with them. Then anytime, you don't have to leave it there. Anytime you can just click here the Binance button, which is unstake. Then click max, confirm, and you get your cakes back. That's so simple. Also, in addition, you will see your rewards here on the dashboards. If you go home, then you will see your rewards, all the staking rewards here from Syrup Pools, and if you stake on farms, then from farms as well. We will have another tutorial for this, so stay tuned how to stake in farms. That's done. Now I have the cakes back in my wallet. You see here I have my cakes with some extra cakes that I earned. It was just short time, so it wasn't much, but if you staked it for a longer time, that you will have your earnings in cakes here. So once you unstake, automatically in the transaction you will get your earnings and your profits as well. Let's say you want to sell the cake. If you want, you can go back to the swap, choose cake, choose BUSD, hit the max button, and okay, I lost $1, who cares about it, but it's okay, just for the example. Confirm, and there you go, you have your BUSD back once the transaction has been done. That's the summary, that's it, that's how simple it is, and this is how you can earn 7% a month. But if you do the auto compound, then it's more than 10% a month. That's a lot. Alright, so make sure please that you are subscribed. Also feel free to ask questions in the comments below. Like and share the video with your friends so more people can learn about PancakeSwap and DeFi and get more financial education and financial freedom. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next time, Johnny time. Goodbye.